Kasnin kong poroyo ya pa Wampoy purkan uja kami paya Nado kasni watip yay bertot yang pa Snyao sok injeng yang nga Daman po ke paralog Kawapit ngan yangan Lekap wabun da jit odu ya pa Pagawaw pendap pagawaw pento yangan Ku blay jibun wawan po Hey jing yang nga Paralog wamaya Kanang chigas ngi kanang pelunub nai Ini maya dapan chidublai Wam to iwa chidublai wada butendi Yaka love story kayong ayong mi Daman mi ujing maya Wapan tengan yang nga Lekap wabunda uki yang nga Mi wow pendap mi wow pento yang nga Ku blay tibun naman mi umaya yung nga umaya Maya, Chado wakon chilenta kisni Daman ika jing maya Wone waro cirta Lasuk citom saja wamper yang Ngaku wow pendap ngaku wow pento yami Jibun waman po kamaya yung Ku blay tibun daman mi umaya yung
Kabangas kong tenang ya kalong so to say in English sincerity ilong sincere ha ilong panay gusto.
We got married in 2011 on 10 May 2011
10 May
and it's going to be 10 years next year.
Nalasimi karay bang yatho na badi ti mday na kadaw ba ibahapre wado kata-kata kinagdan giwe pa digantay ba tamba kata-kata julong jogi ke sincerity kina kata-kata ti nasim ba we bang nasim ti kumulong tamba mo ngi im na mar ngi la itu iwe ngi la tip ke jinglong kata ka kham khong san dot kumangan ong dien ka kasi ba nda di ne dai nang yo iki kon dikti te ngi la bun kam ka ban pen he pen sana ma kategori badan kam ba ngi la de smai ngi la de pula ba ngi la de prero ban yo iki kon dikti te ba la don di kon dikti ko triga kamram jongi ban pen he pen san ban ngin bang tor sho ban pe shwe shar ko ngi dem khoi ban pre na ka banta ki kon ban na thrai ka dei ka ta ka bala ya rab yengi ba hadu bentaro mangidang long kumtai.
I think the last 9.5 years have been great. A lot of difficulties in the first, I think, 4 or 5 years. And me as the father of the house, like she was the one who supported me a lot. Because in between, like I was jobless. Had I been with somebody else, maybe, I don't know. Maybe the family would have not survived. But my wife was there to support me through during those crisis days, and I think together we pulled ahead. And this is where we are right now, actually.
You thought of them Arajar Kapra?
Arajar Kapra.
January.
So it's not. Mentah pila dan kat nungut kikun.
You don't armut.
Arngut mo. Oh.
So Arajar Kapra you thought Arajar Kapra you.
Kon kentai.
Aku milayo.
Kon chenrang. What a blessing. What a blessing.
Longing for golden jubilee.
Golden jubilee.
Kata ka ka aim jongi. Lada ngi sha ya klain la blame ibit ken. Te ngidang ya perkhat ya kata ka golden jubilee ka bomot sa posnan. Te ngatarai lada blame ibit te trai ngidang ya klain ni gumni. Te ngi perkhat kata ka golden jubilee ba lon ban celebrate.
She knows how much I have, I knows how much she has. So there is no hiding it from each other. And also like the greatest fear nowadays is the gadgets, mobiles. For both of us, common secret number.
Beautiful.
So I think this is what makes us very open.
Karai habuat ni.
Hawa ini.
Nama bannya ke ban buat deki bebat, deki balatik lupa.
Lak hamsuk susu.
Nak hamsuk susu ban penjana.
Kadai. Nang ta nak kalian jong pi terai pi ongkum no.
Kalian jong ngaro kalau kumtai.
Tandai.
Namar ba natharai lada iwan pada kawe ke generation. Te we will become younger. Te kemudian sa samlabiang. Te ni samlabiang. Te kum bela umta te natharai insya bahag rubiang ikum ke tepopor ke ba. Yes dah. Te kemudian ladangidon kalan. Mau ban im magawi pada generation tengi im lang ikum ni ngi kendupin dengan sarai ko bela un takasuki bangin ya piteng dia hiken
Na ada mau tek kesini mengayu ini kongi ema.
Okay.
Undai banga peji ida ka khmat banga itanad i. Na imda itanad ra. Macam
Okay.
Tip hakanu ko kombo boleh usion ya ka dur khmat chogi hanga.
I remember one incident like coming to the church was something very unique and like I don't know if when I recall now it makes me laugh. So we were in a hotel here in the town and I was the only one who knew the town, so to say, at that time because my parents are from outside, from Assam. So I had to call 3 taxis, local taxis. Please come and drop us to the church. So we hired 3 or 4 taxis, I don't remember exactly. And with that, we came to the church, and everybody was shocked, like, who are these people coming with local taxi?
Okay.
Then I came out from the taxi, and the rest of the thing followed. When I think now, it makes me really laugh.
It is surprising for me because I never thought that Nishan could take care of children. He does it better than me.
Wow.
He's the one who wakes up in the middle of the night. He'll say, sleep, you sleep. He takes care. Till now, he's the one who takes care of both of my kids.
Wow.
I feel I'm blessed because he loves me so much that he would sacrifice his time to sleep.
Very nice. Very touching actually. So, it's beautiful. Never mind.
yeah, I'm blessed to have him because he takes all the
Very
burden
yeah.
and
Beautiful moment.
so, and I never thought that a man would do that because I thought I've seen men usually they think that taking care of children is a woman's job. She's the one who has to do everything, and I'm the one who brings bread on the table. So I just, when I come home, I just need to relax. But he understands me so well. He brings food at the same time. He also takes care of me and my children.
Wow.
And that changed perspective of how I see men.
Wow.
So I think that understanding that we have for each other, the limits, the limitations that we have, and we know our limitations. So I think that is one of the pillars, I would say, of our family.
Film tadi mau kata mau kejikren tanpa kalong kata ka kumbak ilong ang kapor berat samlah tiga day mau nama kapor tang samlah kumanong no angin asoto kumno kata ka jingin tuni bangi kumno kata ka bangi kedop ni dah ka bangi dan rei hakini kipor bementa pada ngalong ipi teba we bagi ladon kikon ngidon laga jong ka jing angnot mo ban penhe ban pusang nama ngidon kata ka tom.
I prayed to God before getting married, or before for someone to be in my life. I prayed. I said, "If Lord, if you're sending somebody, I would like someone who's like my dad." No? So that's, I see my dad also in him.
Wow.
So
Beautiful.
it's really amazing.
I wore Jensen
Okay.
and it didn't. It's not so expensive. Everything I should say those just 10 years back. It's not so long. From head to foot for me, not even 15,000 spent. The ring also was silver. What I
Okay.
believe is not so much of the external. It's more of the internal, as I said prior to that. It's more of the heart, the commitment, the fidelity we have for one another. For me, I remember all the shopping and all was done by myself and my nephew. We sat on the bike and going for shopping. The wedding was supposed to be on the 10th, and the shopping till the 9th, so it was not yet over. So sitting on the bike, tying me with all the bags on my front, my back, on my sides, with all the vegetables and all the, it is something very unique. And
Kita ni keren ni kita, mo ni keren ni pengi tem kumba ni le danda kumtu, ini saya khot hi mo kita ko kumne kumtai tambang lomban shuya melente kumtu ban shuya ke ban ya kumen kumtu rek pan long hi kum mo kapor ram samla te mo kam long shu nama kata mo ka met ka phat ka jing long ka jing mut par khat kam dei shu kum mo kapor ngin
So,
samla
can I hold it?
It doesn't make you less of a man if you take care of your kids, you change their diapers, or you lose your sleep, or you lose your friends. It doesn't make you less of a man. In fact, it makes you a gentleman. It makes you a man of God.
Beautiful.
90 to, let's say 98%, we are open to each other.
very open.
I'm a man who loves my sleep.
Wow.
Before getting married also, I think my me time, my personal time is very important for me. So after we got married and before having children, I was still able to have that for myself, a time for myself, a time of reflection, a time of prayer alone. But the moment the first child came, first thing I saw was how much she had to go through. That's what I see. And for me, what do I have to go through? Nothing.
Nanti ngam juklet dia
Juklet dia sakti mo.
Nado bagi dia tho tang ko por bangatri manual work mo kuntu na tingyo kasniu kai
Kasniu.
rei kila tang shumi dai ngale se jowai na deni kani na man ko ba pli ki breu ba
Ah.
ngade upreu bal adon kalok mo adon kalok kenal ada biatho ngal ada kular ngam juklet tang kapor bangali se school ro benang atlet ngawan pai ben na surok pan sim banteng kani namba kiwi kini begitu teng-teng rugi kena ke betul ni kita nak sakti jeng babu baik ni mau kita baik ni kadai sakti jeng kular mau kerja tho jonga kemudian kena beri banteng ni
We had good friends. Till today, she has her own separate set of friends. And I'm happy that she has that also. And I have no issues, be it a guy or be it a girl, because that is how much we know each other. And I love it when she goes out with her friends and has a good time, and I'm able to be with the kids, take care of the kids. And I'm sure it's the same of her towards me. When I go out, she has no problem. She does not need to be insecure about anything, because she knows where I stand, what my foundation is.
I find that in all these 9.5 years that we are together, and up to now, it's becoming stronger and stronger, is our prayer life.
có biết thì có
cái này cái đó đó
thìเป็นชนะกะโย
cái chữ mo
กะโยกะรุก
cái chữ cái rung con đó
I feel is that we talk and we share a lot. We really share a lot, and that we do always either before prayer, the night prayer, or after. We sit and talk and discuss and plan all what our intentions, family plannings and all. We do share a lot, no?
yes
I can feel that you want to talk.
yes nice
So,
What I like on him is the caring that he has for me, for the family, for the kids.
and in fact, regarding reaching certain milestones, if God blesses me, I'm going to make sure that I make the most noise that anybody can. You know, 25 years,
yes
I'll make it a huge get together, call in all my families, let them know that this is where we have reached, and definitely renew our vows
beautiful
publicly. And 50 years, hopefully, 75 years, God willing, we'll be able to do all of that. So that is my message.
It's tremendous. I could see in him that he can give more than 100%. That love, that care that he can give for the family. And that I appreciate, and I want to thank you with all my heart, my soul. Sometimes I do make joke with, like, after my death, like if I have to come back to this world, I'll marry the same person.
So, also bringing in a message here is this. Now, I don't believe so much in the trend which is going on,
okay
where you are in a relationship with somebody and you declare to the world via social media.
okay
Whereas after you get married, nobody knows what is happening in your marriage.
nobody knows
I believe public romance should then begin after marriage. And that is what I boldly did also. Immediately after getting married, I mean, nobody had the hint, I think, before we got married, that we were even together. Except for the key, very important people in our lives. Spiritual leaders, our parents, certain spiritual guides of us. They needed to know. They knew. But the rest of the world did not need to know. But the moment we got married, at least from my end, I made sure the whole world knew that we were in romance. And till today, that is what I do.
beautiful
And regarding renewing of vows, I don't think I will wait or I wait till a certain milestone has reached. I take every opportunity that I can, every time. I think the moment we are together and we get time, we go back to our vows. And maybe in bed together, I renew my vows to her. And because even the vows that we spoke to each other came from our own heart. It was not read from a book. We spoke it out. So I renew my vows with her every day, not because of her, but because I need to do it. I need to remind myself where I stand in our marriage together, and so I do that.
Like those 2 points I found in her. Brilliant in her way, and second, very generous at heart. Very generous to give, very generous to forgive. So that is what we need in a person to be a life partner. Then only I think we can go for a very long distance. That I think I don't wear wedding rings actually.
okay
It became tight.
It was
Okay,
there, but
okay.
It's still
it is
there.
there. But our fingers seems to have become fatter.
Father.
Yeah,
Okay.
just symbols, I should say. They are only symbols that we are married.
But at least she has something to wear and
Yeah.
show that she's married. But for me, I think without even this, at the end it isn't out here.
Okay. Beautiful.
Whether I have my ring or I don't have, I have it or I don't have it. I think I have made a commitment to somebody.
Anything you'd like to say?
I think I agree to what you said. I had the same thing in mind. Yes, God's will, I pray to God that He gives us a long life, that we be able to celebrate this love that we have for one another. And if God's will, 50 years of marriage is going to be a huge celebration. Okay? But the most important thing that I believe is that I remind myself of my vows almost every day. Just like he said, not for him, but for me, to respect him, to love him, that I have promised to love you, to respect you, to take care of my children, all of those things I remind myself. So I will not wait till
That 25 years.
Yeah, sometimes, I misplace my ring or I want my ring back, so I would ask him to put it back, but he would he would say the vows and he'd put it back.
Wow.
So we don't need so like that.
So nice. Can we see the ring? We both have the ring.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should have.
Beautiful. Nice.
For us, I
Yes.
should say this.
Surely.
Before we got married, we had a very short time. Like,
Okay.
Unlike others, I feel like I think we took time of around maybe 6-7 months
Okay.
maximum, and that was the end. And we got married. And now is actually from that time after the children were born. Since then, actually, we can say we are dating.
Okay. Okay.
So we go out by ourselves. We go and have food outside whenever possible. And I think when we are by ourselves, that gives a sense of joy and that. What we couldn't do those years, I think now we are walking that.
And in fact, I feel that we are not yet married. We are still companions.
Okay.
So
Nice.
putting in that way also, because each time I look at people, like when I travel to different places, I used to look whether they have ring finger or not. So now, moment I see ring finger, okay, that is closed.
Okay.
But if they look at me, hey, nothing is there. So, but again, in my heart, yes, I'm not single, I'm committed to somebody. I have my own family. So that kind of things actually gives me a lot of fun. At the same time, now coming back to her, like we are still dating, going on. Nothing, we are still dating. People like when they see us, they might be thinking this elderly people or young people, they are still dating or they are husband and wife. So actually in the eyes of the people, I don't know how they see us. But at least both of us, I believe we are enjoying our life.
I enjoy
Beautiful.
God's grace.
Last night we were discussing about this. Next year will be 10 years.
Okay.
And like we were discussing like whom to invite, whom not to invite, what to
Okay.
do, and what kind of thing, where to go and all. Of course, the thing was, we also said like first we have to go to the church and thank God for 10 long years. Then the
The rest will
rest will follow.